how are you? I hope you understood the previous session of word editing and formatting. So today we will continue our chapter. Children, first of all we will understand thesaurus. Thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. By using thesaurus, we can enhance the level of our writing, and we can use the different words from the given list to replace the words which are more appropriate in our text. The thesaurus can be used to replace a word with one of its synonym or antonym also we can get from the list in MS Word. Let's imagine I have this text here. I will choose one word, which word I want to use, find out the thesaurus. So I will, let's imagine I have taken this launched. First I will right click and ignore the blue line. Now you can see now my launched is selected. I will go to review tab, and here you can see I have thesaurus here. Then I will click on thesaurus. You can see I will get a list at this side. Children, one another way of finding the thesaurus is I will cross this one and right click on this word. First I will select it, now right click on it, and here you will get the option synonyms, and here at last we have thesaurus. Children, we are also getting a list of synonyms here. We can use anyone. At the place of launch I can use a propelled word also. So by this way we can find out the thesaurus, and we can change any word with its synonym. Children, next we have finding and replacing text. It is a wonderful feature of Word. In your document, if by mistake you have written some wrong name and number of times you have written that name, you can find it easily and replace it within a seconds. So let us see how you can do that. You can see I have this text. Let's imagine I want to find India. So what I will do, I will click on find, and in the navigation you can see I have written here India, then 3 times India is coming, that is highlighted. If I want to replace it, first I will close it and click on replace. Then India is already coming, then I can write any other country name here, like here I have written here Canada. So if I want to change one by one, then I will click on replace, otherwise I will click on replace all. When I will click on replace all, it will show me that it has changed 3 times. Click on OK and close this one. Then you can see the document, that in my document at the place of India, now Canada is coming. Digital Canada is a campaign launched by the government of Canada. So that this is, by this way we can use find and replace feature of MS Word. Now children, we will learn how to format text in MS Word. First of all, we have changing text case. What is text case? Text case means the text which is written in uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase means in capital letters, lowercase means in small letters. So in MS Word we have 5 cases. One is sentence case. In the sentence case, first letter will be capital, and in the lower case all letters will be small. In the upper case, all letters will be in the capital letter. In capitalize, each word means the first letter will be capital of each word. And when we will click on toggle case, it means the whatever the earlier case, it will be converted to opposite one. So I will show you all these cases one by one. In the font, when you will click here, you will get all these. So what I will do, first I will select the first line and then use sentence case. It is already in sentence case that first letter is capital. So after that I am going to show you the second line and use lowercase. You can see now all the letters in lowercase. The next one line I am going to take and showing you the third case, that is uppercase. Now all the letters are in uppercase. Then I am going to show you the fourth one, that is capitalize the each word, first letter of each word. So you can see now first letter of each word is capital. So the next we have, that is toggle case. You can see now my text is written in small case. When I will click on toggle case, it will be converted into capital letter. So this is the toggle case. Then it will change the text into opposite case. Therefore, you have to select the text. Here I am selecting my text. After that, click on Home tab, and here you will get a drop down list of all the fonts. When you will keep your cursor on any font, you can see the preview also. So whichever you like, you can click and use like this. So by this way you can change the font of your text. See, first you have to select any text. Let's imagine I have selected the compare. A small mini toolbar you can see here. Now if I want to make it bold, I can highlight this text. I can increase the font size, decrease or increase the font size. It is unselected now. Select it, and then I can increase the font, decrease or increase the font size. I can change the font also like this. So by this way we can use the mini toolbar. If it is not coming by selecting only, you can right click also, then it will also come. The font, but now my font is little bit smaller. If I want to make it big, I will first select the text and then click here. Then I will get a drop down list, and I can choose the text and see the preview which one is suitable. I can click and use. By this you can see now my font is increased. Same way I can decrease also. From here also I can increase and decrease the font size. Italic and underline. These are the three features which we can use to highlight or enhance a single word in our text or a line or something else or heading. So here let's imagine I want to highlight Digital India. So what I will do, first I will select it and then I will click on bold. But if I don't want to make it bold, I can even make it italic by this way. If I want to underline, then I will click on U, then it will be underlined. Children, these three buttons are toggle buttons. By clicking on the same button, they will be off, and by clicking on the same button, they will be on. And we can also use the shortcut keys for these. Like let's imagine for bold, I will show you Control B. For underline, Control U, and for italic, Control I. So these shortcut keys you can also use, and you can also use these three buttons to use these three highlight keys. Our text or our document, we can also change its colors. So how we can change the colors? First we have to select. Let's imagine I want to give heading to my text. So I will select here from here Digital India, and as I told you, I will click on Ctrl plus C, and I will click here, press enter key, and again I will click here and click Ctrl plus V. Now I have Digital India as a heading. Then I will select it, bring it in the center, and change its font color. I will make it red, and I also want to underline it. like this. And the other text also I want to change its color. So what I will do, first I have to select it, then I will click here and choose any color which I want to change. So you can see now my text is now looking more attractive. Positioning of the text on the page. So children, you can see now that if this is my heading, then it should be in the center. So what I have done, first I will select it and then click in the center align. Okay, if I will click on right align, you can see it is coming this way. If I need it in the left side, I will click and it will come in the left side, but now I need it in the center. Last one we have, that is justify. Justify means you can see my text is coming something like this. One line is completing here, next is here. This is not looking nice. So to make it more beautiful and look good, I will select it and click on justify. Now you can see the difference. Just see which one is looking more beautiful. Justify. So by this way we can justify our text and make it perfect.